Hello students, in this video I am going to cover multiple choice questions on operating system. First question is, which algorithm is defined in time slice or quantum? And options are shortest job scheduling algorithm, B option is round robin scheduling algorithm, C option is priority scheduling algorithm, and D option is multi-level queue scheduling algorithm. And correct answer is B, that is round robin scheduling algorithm. Next question is, which are reasons for providing environment that allows process cooperation? And here given processes are information sharing, B is computation speed up, C process is modularity, and D is convenience. And here options are A and B. B option is A, B and C. C option is A, D and C, and D option is A, B, C and D. And correct option is D, that is for providing environment that allows process cooperation, it requires information sharing, computation speed up, modularity as well as convenience. Next question is, which are the following scheduling criteria are used? And options are CPU utilization, B option is throughput, C option is turnaround time, and D option is all of the above. And correct option is D, that is all of the above. Next question is, which one of the following cannot be scheduled by the kernel? And options are process, B option is kernel level thread, C option is user level thread, and D option is none of the above. And correct option is C, that is user level thread. Next question is, in the bounded buffer problem, and here dash dash and given options are A option is there is only one buffer, B option is there are n buffers, C option is there are infinite buffers, and D option is none of the above. And correct option is B, that is there are n buffers. Sixth question is, in process scheduling dash dash determines when new processes are admitted to the system. And given options are A option is long term scheduler, B option is short term scheduler, C option is medium term scheduler, and last D option is CPU scheduler. And correct option for this question is A, that is long term scheduler. Seventh question is, which is the primary goal of short term scheduler? And options are A option is increase CPU performance, B option is increase process execution rate, C option is both A and B, and D option is none of the above. And correct option is C, that is both A and B. The means short term scheduler is used for increase the CPU performance as well as increase the process execution rate. Next question is, which of the following semaphore can take the non-negative integer values? And here given options are: A option is binary semaphore, B option is counting semaphore, C option is real semaphore, and D option is none of the above. And correct option is C option, that is the real semaphore. Ninth question is, a program responsible for assigning the CPU to the process that has been selected by the short-term scheduler is known as, and given options are: A option is compiler, B option is dispatcher, C option is scheduler, and D option is all of the above. And correct option is B, that is the dispatcher. Tenth question is, dash dash refers to a situation in which a process is ready to execute but is continuously denied access to a processor in deference to other processes. And given options are: A option is deadlock, B option is starvation, C option is synchronization, and D option is mutual exclusion. And correct option is B, that is the starvation. Next question is, the producer consumer problem is also known as dash dash, and given options are: A option is bounded buffer, B option is reader writer, C option is dining philosopher, and D option is none of the mentioned. And correct option is A, that is the bounded buffer. Twelfth question is, what are the conditions for mutual exclusion to prevail in the system? And options are: A option is the processor must be a uniprocessor rather than a multiprocessor. B option is there must be at least one resource in a shareable mode. C option is at least one resource must be held be in a non-shareable mode. And last, D option is all of the mentioned. And correct answer for this is C option, that is at least one resource must be held be in a non-shareable mode. Next question is, in the bounded buffer problem, there are the empty and full semaphores that and dash dash. And here options are given. A option is count the number of empty and full buffers. B option is count the number of empty and full memory spaces. Then C option is count the number of empty and full queues. And last, D option is none of the mentioned. And correct option for this question is A, that is count the number of empty and full buffers. Next question is, A dash dash is something which is created by the operating system for executing the program. And given options are: A option is process, B option is program, C option is compiler, and last D option is none of the above. And correct option is A, that is process. Last question is: operating system kernel provide which process management functions? And options are: A option is process creation and termination, B option is process switching, C option is process scheduling and dispatching, and last D option is all of the above. And correct option is D, that is the all of the above. Thank you, students.